Welcome to all. I am Supraja, studying in KCS Kasinada Arts and Science College, Department of First BCom CS, Batch 2022-2023. Subject Business Economics. Today's topic is production function, definition, meaning, types, and explanation. Production function. Meaning in Tamil, உற்பத்தி செயல்பாடு. Production function refers to the functional relationship between the quantity of good produced output and the factors of production inputs necessary to produce it. Definition of production function. According to Watson, the relation between a firm's physical production output and the material factors of production inputs referred to as production function. Now, types. Short run input kept constant. One input labor is varied. Short run meaning in Tamil, குறுகிய கால உற்பத்தி செயல்பாடு. Law of variable proportion meaning in Tamil, மாறி விகிதத்தின் சட்டம். Long run varying all inputs meaning in Tamil, எல்லா உள்ளீடுகளும் மாறுபடும். Long returns to scale, அளவிற்கு வருவாய் விதி. Now assumptions. First point, it operates in short run as factors are classified variable and fixed factor. Second point, the law applies to all fixed factors including land. Third point, under law of variable proportions, different units of variable factor can be combined with the fixed factor. Fourth point, this law applies to the field of production only. Fifth point, the effect of change in output due to change in variable factor can be easily determined. Law of variable proportions. Short run production function. Under the theory of production, this law explains the relationship between one variable factor and keeping other factors fixed is called as the law of variable proportion. Constant, technology, short run, homogeneous factors, variable input ratio. Definition of law of variable proportion. According to Benham, as the proportion of the fact is a combination of factors is increased after a point, first the marginal and then average product of that factor will diminish. Short run production function graph. Stage 1. In this stage, the total product increased at the increasing rate. This stage represents increasing returns. Stage 2. In this stage, total product I is continues to increase but at the diminishing rate. In this stage, average product and marginal product are declining. This stage is called diminishing returns. Stage 3. This stage total product decline and therefore total product curve slope. Thanks for watching.